Have you ever found yourself scrolling endlessly, unable to find what you are looking for? Or perhaps you have abandoned a purchase because the checkout process was confusing? What were the issues that plagued the expansion of e-commerce landscape, and how has one company managed to transform the way we buy and sell online? We will take a closer look at Amazon's innovative strategies and how they have made online shopping an effortless and enjoyable process. Picture this, it's the late 90s and the internet is relatively a new phenomenon. The concept of buying products online is met with skepticism and uncertainty. Users were hesitant to embrace the e-commerce market due to significant concerns. There was lack of understanding and awareness of the e-commerce process. Users were unfamiliar with the online shopping platforms and were uncertain about how to navigate through these websites, find desired products, and complete transactions. The user experience was often tricky and confusing, leaving many users feeling frustrated. Who is Amazon? How can I trust a random website with no face when I am only used to buying in stores? What if after the payments I don't get my product delivered? Who would I hold responsible? These thoughts plagued the minds of new customers. They were uncertain about sharing their personal information online, particularly their credit card details. They were cautious of potential fraud or misuse of their sensitive data. This lack of trust posed a significant obstacle for e commerce companies as they needed to establish credibility and reassure users that their information would be secure. First and foremost, Amazon prioritized transparency in its design approach. Amazon understood that trust is built upon open communication and honesty. Amazon provided detailed product descriptions, high quality images, and user reviews to help users make informed purchasing decisions. Amazon took it a step further and even provided the details of the products like color, dimensions, and even the material it is made up of. The master move was user ratings and user submitted images. You might suspect a company, but you will never suspect another user. Amazon smartly uses user reviews as a way to motivate new customers to buy products. The reviews provided by previous customers stand as a testimony to the authenticity of their products. The user submitted image gallery shows the reality and lets the user cross verify the details of the products provided. This level of transparency bridged the gap between physical and digital shopping, alleviating customer concerns about purchasing unseen products. If you navigate the About Us page of Amazon, you will see the emphasis they have on being a customer centric company. By focusing on customer centricity, they had user experience at the forefront of their strategy. Amazon recognized that a seamless and enjoyable user experience was key to build loyalty and retain new visiting customers. They invested in user research, gathering insights, and understanding customer needs, preferences, and pain points. Armed with this knowledge, they iteratively redefined their website to meet and exceed customer expectations. Amazon websites stood out from its competitors with a clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate site. This made the online shopping process seamless for customers. Furthermore, Amazon prioritized convenience. They introduced features like one click ordering, streamlined checkout process, and fast shipping options, all aimed at making the shopping experience effortless and efficient for customers. Let's say a customer has found a product and they have successfully completed the payment and the product was delivered to them. Any e commerce company would have thought that's where their role ends. But Amazon was wise to understand that after sales is where they build a lasting impression and make them into a loyal customer. Amazon implemented robust customer care systems, making it easy for the users to reach out for assistance and receive timely resolutions. This responsive approach to customer support showed that Amazon valued its customer and was dedicated to resolve any issues that arose during and after the shopping experience. So, what was the result of Amazon's relentless pursuit of trust through design? A paradigm shift in the way people perceived e commerce. Over time, users began to realize that shopping online with Amazon was not only safe but also offered unmatched convenience and access to a wide range of products. Today, Amazon stands as a mammoth in the e commerce industry, a testament to the power of design driven strategies in building trust. Their focus on the needs, preferences, and convenience of their customers have transformed the skeptical e commerce space into a thriving ecosystem trusted by millions worldwide.